ओके, तो उस मैट्रिक्स का रैंक आ रहे हैं कब बोलेंगे हम लोग, दैट इज द फर्स्ट वन, एटलीस्ट वन माइनर ऑफ द ऑर्डर आर is non-vanishing, and second, every minus of order r plus 1 vanishes. It means the rank of the matrix A is the highest order of its non-vanishing minors. It is denoted by row of P, row of A. That sign is called as row. Always that one. That is rank of A means that row of A. Be clear with that. Okay. Means क्या करना है? Whenever we can find out the rank of the matrix, we are going to convert the given matrix into the identity matrix, and whenever we are going to convert that into the identity matrix, clearly either that complete row or maybe complete column becomes zero. Okay, so वो complete zero आने के बाद clearly we know that that is, whenever we can find out the rank, clearly we have the step, that is order of the matrix minus in that matrix complete zeros कितने rows में मिल रहे हैं. Okay, that we are going to subtract from that one, we get the rank of the matrix. Okay, while solving it's clear that, still check that the notes, if the order of the matrix is m cross n, then the rank is less than minimum. For example, rank of A, order may be 3 cross 3 है. Okay, order may be 3 cross 3 है. So that time rank should be either 2 possible है, 1 possible है, and at the most 3 possible है. Rank is not greater than order. Okay, means अगर 3/3 का मैट्रिक्स है तो रैंक 4 कभी भी नहीं आएगा. रैंक में भी 1 भी हो सकते हैं, 2 भी हो सकते हैं और 3 भी हो सकता है. So that's the first one, that is if the order of the matrix A is m cross n, then the rank is less than minimum of mn. ठीक है. Second, if there exists a non-vanishing minors of order r, then the rank is greater than r. Clear? Then if all minors of order r plus 1 are zeros, then the rank of A is less than r. ठीक है, ये ना, this is nothing but a minor. We know very well. Whenever we are going to find out the adjoint method, that time we are going to find out the minor. Minor means we are going to omit that row and column, and whatever the remaining 4 values we have, from that we are going to take the, we can say that yes, a determinant of that matrix. So over there only they are going to apply. There exists non-vanishing minor. Okay, means अगर vanish नहीं होने वाला minus उधर है of order r, then the rank is greater than that r. Okay, after that, ठीक है, elementary transformation doesn't alter rank of the matrix. When we are going to apply the elementary transformation, clearly we know that that elementary transformation does not alter the rank. Means whenever we are going to apply that operation, clearly we know that that operation not going to alter, change the rank of the matrix. That rank of the matrix we becomes as it is. There is no change when we are going to apply the row operations and the column operations. After that, next, that is the rank of the product of two matrices is not exceeded the rank of either matrix. Okay, means clearly there are two matrix, and first matrix का 2 है, second का 2 है. So clearly when we are going to taking the product of both the matrix and we are going to find out that matrix, so that time also the rank is 2 only. So rank is fixed, means when we will take the product, that time also rank not going to change. Okay, after that, that is rank of null matrix is 0. Clearly empty matrix है, so rank of that one is 0. Next one, rank of non null matrix is greater than or equal to 1. Means clearly अगर null matrix नहीं है, so rank of that matrix is clearly we know that minimum 0 रहेगा और maximum greater than 0 रहेगा. Be clear with that. Greater than or equal to 0. Yeah. 1 clearly. If A is a non-singular matrix of order n, then the rank is equal to n. Non-singular. What do you mean by non-singular and singular? Yes. Singular and non-singular. बोलो.
Determinant of A is not equal to 0.
That time this is called as non-singular. If determinant of A is equal to 0, clearly this is singular. Okay. So clearly they are going to say that if A is non-singular matrix, means determinant is not equal to 0 of order n, then the rank of A is equal to n. Okay. Next thing, because AQ important है, because in case your exam is online, so that time instead of solving, okay, instead of solving they ask MCQ very well, you know very well, because last year वही किया है. Okay, that's why ये theory part important है. After that, see that that is if A is singular matrix of order n, then the rank of A is less than n. A singular रहेगा, then the rank of A should be less than n. After that, rank of identity matrix is equal to order of matrix. Identity matrix का clearly जो order है उतना ही रहेगा rank. After that, the rank of matrix A and its transpose is same. Means whatever the matrix हुआ है उसका अगर हम लोग transpose ले रहे हैं, so that time rank is again same. That is both for that A also and A transpose also. After that, the rank of matrix A and A inverse is same. Clearly we know that that is whatever A have and the inverse of that matrix. So that both time the rank of that matrix is. These are basically we know that the result based on the rank. Okay. Now we can start with the first one, that is echelon form. Take that here. ठीक है, पार्ट्स में दिया हुआ है, एक मिनट. हाँ, या ठीक है. हम्म, take that here. ठीक है, इतना सब करने से बेटर है, एक मिनट. हाँ, echelon form. Yeah, check that here. See that the echelon form of the matrix A is row equivalent matrix C of rank R with the following property. So what are the properties? Take that at least one element in each of first R rows is non-zero and the element in the remaining rows are zeros. And the second, in the first R row, the first non-zero element in each row is 1 and it appears in the column right to the first non-zero elements of the preceding row. Simple way, ज़्यादा complicated मत करो. How to find out the rank? Check that the matrix A is given. Okay. So our task is that is below diagonal we are going to make all values 0. Okay, my task is that only. So what we are going to do? We are going to check that. What is the order of the matrix here? Order of the matrix.
5/4.
5/4.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Order
sir.
कैसे लिखते हैं? Just tell me that. All are wrong.
Row into
Order कौन
column.
से फॉर्म में लिखते हैं? Row into column. So row कितने हैं? 5 है.
Row 4 into 5
4
आएगा
into
sir.
5.
हाँ, 4 into 5. So definitely 5/4 and 4 into 5 both are totally different. Remember that. It's not 5/4. It's 4/5. order of the matrix, row into column. Be clear with that. Okay, row into column we are going to write down. So there are 4 rows, 5 columns. So clearly the order of the matrix is 4 cross 5. Okay, so how we are going to find out the rank? Generally below the diagonal we are going to make all values 0. Okay, or maybe we are going to convert into the identity matrix also. Okay, in simple words we can say that convert into identity matrix. So that time suppose we get one row with all entries 0. Take that in given matrix we have last row is totally 0. Yes, we have all the values are 0 over there in the last row. Okay, so whenever we are going to find out the rank of the matrix means there are 4 rows, that is 4 minus the rows in which we have all entries 0, which is 1. So clearly we know that the rank of that matrix is 3. So given A is given, तो उसका rank है हमारे पास 3. Why? Because there are 4 rows. उस 4 rows में one row ऐसी है जिसमें all entries are 0. So rank of the matrix means we are going to apply in that way only. Okay, means order तो पता है हमें, that is 4 rows है. उसमें से we are going to find out the rows in which we have all values are 0. So that row we are going to subtract from that order rows. That is 4 rows में से वो we are going to subtract. So clearly we get the order of that matrix is 3. Is that okay? From that clearly we can say that rank is 3 now. But always whatever the matrix given, we are going to convert that matrix into the identity matrix. And identity में convert करने के बाद जो मैट्रिक्स आएगा उसमें वो अप्लाई करेंगे. अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो फाइन, बट अगर आ रहा है तो यस रैंक फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ठीक है, दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स. ठीक है, वन सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स ही देखते हैं हम लोग, बाद में ये डिस्कस करेंगे. टेक दैट हियर. Yeah, take that here. In note what they given to solve the system of the linear equation, we can use, that is instead of that, see canonical and echelon both are same. Meaning is same, only names are different. Okay, that is either or, दोनों को एक ही बोलते हैं. Canonical form and echelon form both are same. Okay, so we can say that we use form of the matrix. It is not necessary to obtain first non-zero elements in the first. We can say that the arrow, that is unity. Then we can say that the rank of the matrix is equal to the number of non-zero rows in its echelon form. By echelon form of the matrix A, rank of the matrix A is equal to total number of rows of A minus number of rows containing all 0. ये formula important है, that is third one. That is by echelon form of the matrix A, rank of matrix A is equal to total number of rows of A minus number of rows containing all zeros. Okay, remember that thing. Now the examples to find the rank of the matrix by echelon form. Take that example here directly. What they given, the matrix is given. So we are going to consider that matrix is nothing but A only. Okay, that matrix is A only. After that, here only we are going to apply row operations. And while applying the row operations, our task is that we are going to convert below diagonal all values 0. Okay, below diagonal. Diagonal should be 1 and below diagonal all values should be 0. So check that here. Already there is no 1 over there. So we are going to interchange. R12 means we are going to interchange first row and second row. We are going to interchange first and second row. So what we get? Check that here. First second row become first one, that is 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4. See that operate R12. Over there better way we can write down R1 interchange with R2. Be clear with that. We are going to write down R1 interchange with R2. So what we get? That is 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4. Second row becomes 2 3 minus 1 minus 1.